Sa lahat ng nakakaranas ng imposter syndrome, hindi kayo nag-iisa. Here are some real practical tools on how to deal with the imposter syndrome. Identify it and name it. That way, buo ang loob mo in setting this voice aside and in strengthening your confidence to own your accomplishments. Call it out at ipakita mong mas malakas ka rito. Whether you write it on your journal or you save photos and videos of your career milestones, malaking tulong to sa pagpapalakas ng paniniwala at tiwala mo sa sarili mo. Evidence of your victories will prevail over imagined worries and anxieties. Look at failure from a different perspective. Pag nadapa ka, hindi forever na nakalagpak ka lang tatayo, lalakad, at tatakbo kang uli. Talk about what you're going through. Normalizing it and sharing our story about it takes away its power over you. Find your tribe, your family na nakahandang makinig. Keep showing up. Nababasag ang false narratives na hindi ka magaling, hindi ka dapat nandito, at mas mangingibabaw ang you deserve to be here because you are more than enough.